Such a beautiful autumn day. Honorable leaders, dear guests, colleagues, and friends, old and new, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the 2022 SBW and also welcome to gather with us in the new landmark of Shanghai, the Shanghai Library East Campus to attend the Shanghai Platinum Week Anglo-America Resources Technology Forum. I'm Frank Ni from Anglo-America. It's a great honor to chair the morning session. Today we are very honored to have with us experts, scientists, famous scholars, and entrepreneurs from PGM market in China. They are going to talk about their insights regarding how hydrogen and fuel cell vehicles, electro-pharmaceutical, petrochemical, 3D printing, AI can be further advanced. They will also share with us the latest advantage and brand new insights about the industry. They'll also discuss with us the new future for PGM technology industry. I remember last year on the 31st of May, Anglo-America held the first successful session on the theme of electrolyzed water hydrogen production during the first Shanghai Platinum Week. Back then, people around the world were passionate about hydrogen production equipment. As a result, we received extensive participation across China, which made us very encouraging and encouraged. So this year, we bring you two sessions about how to develop the PGM, the Platinum Group Precious Metals. The first one was held yesterday together with Dr. Liu Ying from Catalysis, and the session yesterday was themed Single Atom Catalysis with PGM, and the second session is what you're going to have today. So for the session today, we will have three parts. The first part will feature keynote presentations in the morning, and then followed by the Nanshan party in the noon. In the afternoon, there will be a roundtable discussion. In addition to that, there will be product demonstration and display outside the conference room. The event will also be live streamed via the video official account of Shanghai Platinum Week on WeChat, as well as Hobilo and virtual conference platform to audience in and out of China. Really welcome to all of you. So without further ado, let's start the morning session, and I would like to invite Ms. Tony Chen from Anglo-America. He is the General Manager of the Precious Metal Market Development Department of Anglo-America. He is going to deliver some opening remarks. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and welcome again to gather here in the brand new East Campus of Shanghai Library for the session about the technology regarding PGM held by Anglo-America. As you know that Anglo-America is a mining company, and you know that PGM is relatively a niche market. They only account for less than 1/10 that of gold output. So as a responsible mining company, we think we are obliged and we have the responsibility to do our due share in promoting the reputation and awareness of PGM. We started this endeavor as early as 6 years ago, and we have done several things in promoting the brand awareness, in guiding and providing consultancy to decision makers, in displaying products, as well as in funding R&D and in market education, as well as additional investment resources. We are willing to do our due share. As you know that PGM exists in every part of our life. As you know that PGM is the industrial vitamin for industrial production. And today I want to add one more sentence. PGM is just like the seasoning in our life, because they exist in every part of our life and they spice up our life. Well, PGM has extensive applications, as you may have heard during the previous 2-day sessions, how they can be used in 10 broad categories. However, there are a lot of challenges regarding the application of PGM, mainly in the coming 3 areas. Firstly, the first challenge is that PGM is a very young group of metals for the human beings. We didn't identify PGM until about 200 years ago. As a result, we're still in the process of trying to know more about PGM and trying to identify more about their advantages and properties, as well as characteristics. And second, PGM only come in limited numbers or amount. As a result, the market has concerns regarding the safety, stability, and sustainability of their supply. That's the second challenge we're facing. And thirdly, The challenge regards price because everybody thinks that PGM are very expensive, but the question whether they are expensive or not depends very much on whether they have value. We don't think a house by the side of Huangpu River is very expensive because they have inherent value by themselves. And what's more important that houses, the value of these houses are not perishable, which is very similar to the value of PGM. So how do we brave these challenges? Technical innovation is the one and only choice that we have. Regarding technical innovation, we are very honored. We are very happy to have some data from Shanghai Gold Exchange, and they provided us with the number of patents regarding PGM as well as carbon and silica material related patents. Regarding the total numbers on the first part and on the second part, there are differences of magnitude level. In other words, only 1/10 of patents were patents related to PGM only account for 1/10 that of carbon and 1/2 of that of silica. In other words, we need to make more efforts on the R&D front of PGM. Regarding R&D, actually R&D is still fragmented, scattered across various universities, research institutes, and companies and enterprises. So we hope and we're willing to provide such a platform so that R&D resources across the society can be gathered in one place, one platform. If you are interested in PGM, you must have noticed the establishment of Shanghai Lingang PGM, new type international trading and technological innovation center with 4 different functions, including industry agglomeration or cluster, industry funds, the market for production elements. What's more important is that they are planning to build Shanghai PGM application or applied science research institutes. So for us, we are really honored to be part of the research institute. Together with Lingang Group will pull together resources from all walks of life to have more of an effort regarding R&D on PGM. As I mentioned, that we have different varieties of events, and firstly, you will listen to 9 excellent presentations. So for the first time, our partners are going to present their research results over the past 2 years and how what their outlooks are for research going forward. Their presentations include hydrogen as well as catalyst that hydrogen production and hydrogen development needs the most. Also, they will cover lithium-ion batteries as well as food security, environmental protection, etc. So I'm sure you will have a lot of takeaways from their presentation. In the afternoon session, we will have open discussions, and we really hope that all of the audience attending this afternoon session can be part of the discussions, because this afternoon we will have 3 very interesting, exciting topics. The first topic is related to the stability and safety of the supply chain and their sustainable development. So how we can use technical innovations to ensure sustainable development of the supply chain. And the second topic regards how to use technology to empower hydrogen economy. And the third topic will be of broader scale. In other words, the third topic will be how PGM can play a key and critical role in 21st century. Outside the conference room, there is an exhibition with 7 exhibitors. 1 will display platinum gold bars and gold ingots, but there are other technical displays, including displays from the hydrogen industry as well as water hydrolysis catalysts. There are other displays showing the application of PGM in 3D printing as well as fluorescent materials. What's more interesting is that there is an exhibition hall doing food preservation, and they have just launched a new product to get rid of odor. So outside the conference room, you will be able to see some of their demonstration, and for the first time, you'll be able to see how some odor and some unpleasant flavor will be removed within 1 second. 22nd. Again, many thanks for attending this forum and many thanks to all of your contribution and input. As we are ready to celebrate China's Mid-Autumn Festival, so I would like to wish you happy Mid-Autumn Festival and wish you all the best. What's more important is that Anglo America today we have prepared for you a feast for the mind regarding PGM. Enjoy the feast. Thank you very much.